Hello guys, welcome to my channel Kingr. Today I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks of any video editing app without paying any rupees, just by installing Lucky Patcher app. Many of you knows about it, but this video is for them who don't know about this. So firstly you have to install Lucky Patcher app. This application is not available in Play Store, so you have to download this from any other browsers. So firstly open the Lucky Patcher app. The top one is KindMaster, then select the third one option, the menu of patches, create modifying APK files, then the fourth option APK rebuilds for in-apps and LVL emulation. Click on that. So you will got three options: supports patches for LVL emulation, support patches for inbuilt emulations. So click on rebuild the app. So it will patch some files to your APK files. So you have to do is just wait. It takes some minutes to patch the files. It's almost done. Go to files, reinstall it, click on reinstall, give it the permission, yes, okay. Go to setting and give the Lucky Patcher app permission to reinstall this app. So click on setting, allow app install, go back and install it. So open it, allow KindMaster to access your media photos. So go to empty projects, click on media. I'm taking media, I'm taking wallpaper, select any photos. So here you see the watermark, click on that and buy now. Save purchase for register, auto repeat purchase with the current settings, click on yes button. So the watermarks got removed. So this is all. I hope this video helped you to remove the watermark of any video editing app. Thank you for watching.